guys, my name is Anthony and this is
Henry.
And
today we will be making a Supreme Triple Chunk brownie.
But first we're gonna have to wash our hands.
Yes. Okay, so now we will start making the mix.
Yes.
Okay, so we will need egg.
Okay, so here are the supplies that you'll need. You'll need the mix, of course, which is the most important part. You need 1/3 cup of the oil, 1 egg. We're gonna use the butter later on, and we need, and of course, you're gonna need the measuring cups.
You can use
a
mixer, either one,
either
electronic one or by hand.
Okay. Henry, let's start off with the oil. Okay. So here, the mix. Okay, make sure that there's enough. Oops, it's dripping.
Fine.
Okay.
I'll put it down here.
There's the oil. Cool. Okay. Now we're gonna put in some water. There you go.
Beautiful. Okay. So
now it's your turn to put in the mix.
The mix?
Yep.
Yes. Let's scrape off everything. Woo! That is a big pack. Okay, I'm just gonna use some scissors. We don't have any scissors.
Pour in the mix. It's a mess!
It's a mess!
I thought this thing said it was on lock. Is it?
This time, check if you're right. Before you mix, check if it's right. Because you don't know if the disaster could be worse.
Now it's on lock. Okay. Look at that, y'all. Okay, now it's looking for liquid. That looks better.
Make sure you're mixing all the chocolate together.
Yep.
Like that on the side. Mix that together.
Done.
Woo!
Look at that.
That looks better than what it used to.
Okay. The egg does make a difference. Excellent.
Egg.
Okay.
It's so heavy.
Now with the pan that you're gonna use to put the mix in the oven, you will either you use a non-stick spray,
Or you can use butter.
Yeah, or you can use butter. This classic.
Classic is my middle name.
Because it's the same thing basically. There you go. It's quicker now. And the bread is spreading.
You mean the butter, not the bread.
Not the bread, the butter. Make sure you butter it on from the sides. Oh, hello. Is anybody there? Anybody?
Finally!
It's not much of a masterpiece, but it's gonna work. It's something. It's gonna work. All right, now with the mix.
Now with the mix.
Now we're gonna have to put it inside of the pan that you're gonna use. Look at that.
That looks wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Make sure you have everything in there. So
Give me
let's just get like a this maybe.
Okay, well, we're gonna use the sink,
So
and
get
now we're
out
gonna get
everything.
all of it. Make sure
All
you
the
get
chocolate.
everything to make sure that there's enough.
The more, the better.
Now we're gonna put this in the sink. Okay, so to heat up the oven, you have to put it at 350 degrees, and you have to put it in for at least 35 minutes.
Hey guys, looks like the brownies just finished baking. Right now we're gonna check them out.
Smells
I
like
can
heaven.
smell it already.
Let's get it out.
Ooh, that looks good.
Okay.
That looks really good. Okay, wait, we have to push that in. Okay.
Okay. So with the kebab stick, we're just gonna check if the brownies are completely cooked.
Okay, you can use any toothpick or whatever you find.
So here I have our knife, and I'm gonna cut it. Okay. You see? Nice vertical line. I'm gonna cut another vertical line down horizontally. That looks tasty.
I can feel it from I probably could smell that for miles and miles away.
Right, and we're gonna cut more pieces. Boom. And boom. We have 8 pieces. We're gonna have our judge, Jacob.
Yeah.
Say hi, Jacob.
Ooh, my apron just fell off.
I think this cake looks good, but
You haven't tasted it yet.
it's
Yeah.
We're gonna give Jacob, the judge, some piece of our cake.
hi.
Okay. Let's get you a piece. Let's see.
I'm
Grab.
gonna sit down right.
Okay. That little piece. Taste.
I think it's good. Sweet, creamy, soft, and the bread is good. Perfecto.
Thank you.
Well, guys, that's how
Compliments
you.
to the chef.
Thank you. Well, guys, this is how you make a brownie mix.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.